It is Tuesday. Tuesdays are kind of long because I got 3 classes and they're kind of spread out and they're far away on campus. So to get to the first one, I got to go catch a bus. Thank God I don't have to carry those textbooks to class. Really hoping I don't miss the 8 bus, because if I miss it, I'm probably gonna be late. Good morning.
Good morning.
Gracias.
Oh, look who it is.
I don't care.
Thank you.
Okay, how would I hit that name? How would I hit that? Like me what?
Not right.
As in class, I want to remind you of simple companies. That's a truthful word.
That's just the thing. Have you never heard that?
Do you hear what she just said?
She said brick means cold.
Yes, what?
Have you never heard of that?
No.
What does that even mean?
That's like a common, like, synonymous thing. Like, brick to cold.
Like Brick Squad? Cold Squad?
I don't get that abbreviation.
I'm trying to get it.
I'm just trying to die out here.
School literally makes you ill. That's how you get sickness. You study too hard.
School does kill you. Will you push it forward? Turn it that way a little bit.
Really hope we don't miss the bus.
I know, we gotta run.
Not our bus. There's the 8. All right, John, what are we about to go do?
Gotta play some ping pong.
Tuesdays, Thursdays,
Every day.
all day.
Wake up. Go to bed. We're going night-night tonight.
He doesn't know it yet, but he's gonna lose for the 3rd day in a row.
Not today. Not ever.
What are the last 2 scores?
8 games to 1 last time. Time before that, I don't even think you beat me.
Quality ping pong balls here at the College Inn.
About to find out. God bless you, Easter. Come on, Mom loves me.
It was good, but he got me. He got me. Must feel so good to, beat me after those. What was the actual score? Like, out of the last 11, you won 3. Yeah.
4-7.
Don't want to go to geology. Yeah. About to go to hydraulics.
Worst class ever.
Worst class of the week.
Of my life. Can you look up again?
Alright. I'll hit you up.
Gotta love the positivity of NC State.
Yeah, that's what you pay for. Random positivity statements. Okay, so at NC State, we've got a bit of a rep for being like the farm school. We're always constantly like, no, we're a good school. We have good engineering. We have good math. We have good physics. Well, it really, really doesn't help when they do what they do in the brickyard today and yesterday.
Really shows what type of school we actually have here.
How do we get out there? Class thing. What'd you get?
Got a wrap that looked like she made it pretty poorly. And so my backup plan some sushi.
You got sushi?
Yeah.
Dude, quality.
Good old Philly rolls.
Nice.
'Cause you know, all my Philly ties. It was just like, there was one time that said like upstairs. So you go upstairs, double doors, then it says like quiet area, don't make noise. I don't know.
Looks like our GoPro scared everybody away. I don't think they liked it. But yeah, so the animals don't really help our image, do they?
Oh no, definitely not.
Just got back to my apartment, had dinner. About to go to Hunt Library to go just edit stuff, I guess.
Maybe do a little bit of homework. Probably not though.
Yeah, we found out it's not due today, so we probably won't do it today.
Because that's just is how it works.
Yeah. Hey. It's gorgeous out here. I don't think you can beat that view for a library.
Dude, I love London.
Yeah, we can get 3 zeros on the quiz and still be alright. We can pass.
Yeah, I already made 4 or 40s on 3 quizzes, so I don't know if I can afford another 0. You gotta love engineering.
Yeah. Well,
My life in a nutshell.
alright, John. Say bye to the camera while we study.
Bye.